It's March 4, 8 o'clock in the morning. Alright guys. I'm sleeping here in the couch. Kasi feel cozy. Kasi may naghihilig. Ayan, katabi ko. So, magluluto, maglalaba, maglilinis ng bahay. Hindi ka makaalis. Hershey? Hershey? You okay? You okay? You okay? Are you okay? You okay? You okay? You okay? Naku to si Hershey. Tinakot ako. Diyos ko. Akala ko kung ano nangyari. I thought what? She scared me. I thought she's choking or something. She was sleeping beside me, right? And what happened was she got hiccups. I never know that dogs or puppy get hiccups. So I called my daughter like, oh my gosh. So another learning experience to me. And then I search it like when if the dog gets hiccup, they are cold or they are tired or they eat too fast. Or something like that. But Hershey was sleeping and she got hiccups. So it means she's cold. Oh well, it's weird. Okay guys. Stay safe everybody. And thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. You can put a comment below. What can you suggest? If Hershey gets hiccup, how can you get rid of it? Okay. Bye. Hershey, that's not your toy. I said it's not your toy. Good girl. Find your toy. Find your toy. Go find your toy. Come on. Find your toy, Hershey. Where's your toy? Find your toy. Good girl. Where is it? Where's your toy? Find your toy. Your toy. Where's your toy? Where's your toy? Where did you put your toy? Good job. Good job, Hershey. Sometimes if she wants to play with us, she's just gonna drop her toy in front of you. And then what we do is we're just gonna throw it out and they're just going to pick it up, right? And then she's coming back to you and she wants us to chase her. She's not going to let go of. Give me a toy. Let go. Let go. Good job. Uh-oh. I threw it on the table. Good job. Good job. Let me try. She's not gonna give it. She's going to. She wants to be chased. Give me time. Give me time. Give me time. Give me time. Hershey. Give me time. Good job. Give me time. Let go. Let go. Hershey, let go. 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 Hershey. Let go. Fine. You're not listening. Okay, fine. Okay, fine, baby dog. Are you my baby dog? Good job. Are you my baby dog? Are you my baby dog? I'm going to get you. I'm going to get you. No, I'm not going to chase you. You don't want to let go your toy. Let go. Let go. Good job. Ah! Are you kidding me? Hershey. Hershey. Give me a toy. Give me a toy. Listen. You want me to chase you? You want me to chase you? I'm coming to get you. I'm going to get you. I'm going to get you. I'm going to get you. See. I'm going to get you. Where are you? Where are you? She's hiding. Peekaboo. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. I kicked her. She slipped up her toy. She still doesn't want to give it to me. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Give me your toy. Give me your toy. Give me your toy.
Hello to sing. Hello to sing.
Hello. Hi, Hershey. Are you my baby dog? Are you my baby dog? Are you my baby dog? Hi, hi, hi. Are you my baby dog? Hi guys. I like my mic. This is my daughter's mic. Long time ago. I just found it in the ottoman over there, the red one. Because I was looking for my credentials. And then I found it there. And then it just suddenly speak like this. Wait. It's so creepy. I turn it down.
Hello to sing.
And I get so scared. Hello? And I get... Hi guys. I like my mic. This is my daughter's mic. Long time ago. I just found it in the ottoman over there, the red one. Because I was looking for my credentials. And then I found it there. And then it just suddenly speak like this. Wait. It's so creepy. I turn it down.
Hello to sing.
And I get so scared. Hello? And I get... See Hershey. Hershey gets scared and she got different toy. She stopped playing with the green one. I got her scared, guys. Because she doesn't want to give her toy to me. And then I got this mic. I said, "Are you my baby dog? Are you my baby dog?" Guys, don't get tired of watching me. Stay safe, everybody. Okay, always wash your hands, sanitize your hands, and don't touch your face. And be safe. And please don't forget to like my YouTube videos and comment and share and ask your friend to subscribe. And also, if you have any idea or suggestion that you want me to do, I'll try. At this time, I'm just being me. You know, a random stuff that I want to share to you that I love to do. This is what I'm doing. I'm just comfortable doing what I'm doing right now. So, yeah, okay. So today, I'm just gonna... Oh, my mic died. My mic died. My mic died. Okay, guys, bye. Okay, bye, guys.